सब्सक्राइब करें हमारे चैनल को और साथ में बेल आइकन पर भी क्लिक करें ताकि हमारे आने वाली वीडियोस आप तक सबसे पहले पहुंच सके। तो चलो स्टार्ट करते हैं।
पहला सेंटेंस हमारे पास, तुम मुझसे गुस्सा क्यों हो? वाई आर यू एंग्री विथ हिम? वाई आर यू एंग्री विथ हिम? वो अपनी बात से मुकर गया। He went back on his word. He went back on his word. मैं उसे धोखा दूंगा। I will cheat on her. I will cheat on her. उसे धोखा देने का सोचना भी मत। Don't even think about cheating on her. Don't even think about cheating on her. उस रात वहाँ कौन था? Who was there that night? Who was there that night? उस रात मैं वहाँ था। I was there that night. I was there that night. और कौन था वहाँ उस रात? Who else was there that night? Who else was there that night? उस रात वो भी था वहाँ। He was also there that night. He was also there that night. क्या तुमने उससे बात करने की कोशिश की? Did you try to talk to him? Did you try to talk to him? वो मुझे नज़रअंदाज कर रहा था। He was ignoring me. He was ignoring me. आपने उसे कहाँ देखा? Where did you see her? Where did you see her? मैंने उसे किसी के साथ बात करते हुए देखा। I saw her talking to someone. I saw her talking to someone. तुमने मुझे कॉल क्यों नहीं किया? Why did you not call me? Why did you not call me? कम से कम तुम मुझे कॉल कर सकते थे। At least you could call me. At least you could call me. तुमने बगैर पूछे ये किया। You did it without asking me. You did it without asking me. कम से कम मुझसे पूछ तो सकते थे। At least you could ask me. At least you could ask me. तुम ऑफिस क्यों नहीं आए? Why did you not come to office? Why did you not come to office? मैं नहीं आया क्योंकि मैं बीमार था। I did not come because I was unwell. I did not come because I was unwell. तुमने उसे क्यों नहीं समझाया? Why did you not make him understand? Why did you not make him understand? उसे समझाना बेकार है। It's useless to make him understand. It's useless to make him understand. क्या ऐसा पहले हुआ है? Has this happened before? Has this happened before? ऐसा एक बार हो चुका है। This has happened once. This has happened once. तुम्हें उससे मिलने की जल्दी क्यों है? Why are you in a hurry to meet him? Why are you in a hurry to meet him? क्योंकि वो मुझे पसंद है। Because I like him. Because I like him. मैंने उससे कुछ नहीं कहा। I did not say anything to him. I did not say anything to him. तुमने उससे क्यों नहीं कहा? Why did you not say him? Why did you not say him? उसे कहने का कोई फायदा नहीं। It's no use saying him. It's no use saying him. उसे कहना बेकार है। It's useless to say him. It's useless to say him. मैं वहाँ जा रहा हूँ। I'm going there. I'm going there. वहाँ जाने का सोचना भी मत। Don't even think about going there. Don't even think about going there.
दोस्तों, अगर वीडियो अच्छी लगी तो अभी हमारे वीडियो को लाइक करें और अपने दोस्तों के साथ भी शेयर करें ताकि हमारी वीडियो से उनका भी फ़ायदा हो और आपका भी फ़ायदा हो। और अगर आप इसी तरह और वीडियो चाहते हैं तो अभी हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करके सब्सक्राइब हो जाइए और साथ में बेल के आइकन पर भी क्लिक करें ताकि हमारे आने वाली नई वीडियोस आप तक सबसे पहले पहुंच सके और आप इंग्लिश सीख सकें।